Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you. If you guys can see right there, from Qilo Tactical. So as we can see here, this is the Qilo Tactical Northern Provisions collaboration. This is their Baghdad line. They came out pretty recently, I want to say about 2 weeks ago. And they released it. Finally, the drop came out. So as you can see here, I have a technical hoodie. So a technical is what they call the Hiluxes overseas, and so I guess sometimes the Land Cruisers too. I have to fact check on that, not 100%, but I know definitely the Hiluxes, which is the overseas version of a Tacoma. They have called those technicals, and I believe the history on that is because they were able to get funding for those through it was called like technical assistance or something, for like farming, agriculture, whatever. But as you can see here, it's a technical hoodie, sized in medium, really big bag. It's this nice little brown color. You can, just from palpating it, you can hear that there's that there's those papers in there. Yep, from Kabul with Love. Oh, maybe this is an older tag because this is the Baghdad one. But you can see in the back there's an AA gun. You got a white Hilux. And then here you have your, I guess you could call your DCUs. But these are just shorts. Yep, here's your paper. Yep, and this tag doesn't have anything on the back, but this one does. For reference, this feels a little bit harder, but I'm assuming with some washing and wearing, it'll probably get a lot softer. And these are the shorts. Super nice. You can see down here, here's the logo for Qilo. In old school desert, but not that cookie dough pattern. This has that extra shade of green in there. It's not full desert. And both these are medium. Super excited to wear these. But overall, they feel really nice, and I'm excited to get them. In the future, I'd like to look for some of the frog skin Sherpas that they had, but they don't make them anymore. So have to find one, hopefully still new, but opened. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you'd like to see next. And as always, stay safe.